Heidi ho, neighbor.
Wilson? Is that you?
Yep, it's me.
Whew, boy, for a second there I thought you turned into a pumpkin.
No, I'm just showing off my pumpkin. I put an electric fence around my garden.
You're telling me. I mean, really? Wow. Well, you're stopping your garden thief?
Oh yeah, I got that little rascal on a run now.
Yeah, I know. I'm having a hard time finding good quality produce for a good price these days. I had to go to Walmart and buy a can of pumpkin puree. I need that for my recipe this week.
What you making?
Well, I'm making a 2-layer pumpkin cheesecake.
Sounds interesting.
You want to see how I make that? Follow me along on this video.
My God, what did you eat?
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.